In the previous video, we have seen how we can record audio and video stream together. In this video, we will see how we can implement the undo feature in our application. Okay. So before diving into the code, let me show you a demo. Here is the demo. Let me select a file. For example, this one. As you can see, the audio duration is 265 seconds. Now let me cut 242, 12 to 42, 30-second duration. Now you can see it returns 30 seconds of duration of audio file. Now let me trim once. 22. Now we have a 20 seconds of audio. Okay. So now if I press undo, it will return 30-second audio. Okay, here you can see. And now if I again press undo, it will return the 265 seconds audio. Here you can see. Okay. So this is basically the undo feature which I try to implement in my application. So now let us see the code of this app. So what I did in the code, first of all, I declared a global variable in video editor.html, the global variable called undo, and I also declared a button, undo button. Okay. And it is calling undo data function. Okay. So after that, I first implemented the undo feature in WU file. Okay, VWU file. This is basically file reading option, and I implemented undo feature in this. Let me explain you one thing before I explain you the code. For the sake of simplicity, I am just implementing the undo feature on audio, not on video. You can do the same on the video as well. Okay. So let me tell you the idea. Look, we have an array. Whenever we try to concatenate the array, the array will become big. Okay. The index will increase. So before concatenating, I am actually pushing the current array into the undo array. Okay. What I am doing here, before concatenating, I am pushing the current array into the undo, and then I concatenate the array. Okay. Same thing I am doing in cut. So before cutting, I am pushing the current array into the undo, and then I cut the current array. Okay. This is what I am doing. And same thing I am doing in trim. I am pushing the current array into the undo, and then I trim. Okay. So what is this idea basically? And let me show you undo. What undo is doing. Undo is actually setting the undo length -1 to array, and then undo pop. Okay, so what is this basically idea? The idea is whenever I cut or trim or concatenate, I push the current array to the undo, and then I apply the feature. Okay, and when someone press undo, I assign the last index of undo to the main array. Okay, main array. This is what I am actually doing in this undo. So hope guys this is now clear to you that what I am actually doing in undo. I will push all the code on my GitHub for this feature. Hope you guys like this video. Take care.